Welcome back. Time now for a look at some of the major stories from around the world.
The Cuban government says its forces have shot and killed 4 people on a U.S.-registered speedboat that entered its water and opened fire on a patrol boat on Wednesday. 6 others on the speedboat were also injured. Cuba's Interior Ministry said a commander was also injured during the operation. The ministry said the incident is under investigation to establish exactly what happened. U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio, who is in St. Kitts and Nevis for a high-level meeting with CARICOM, said no U.S. government personnel were involved. He said he was awaiting confirmation about whether those in the incident were U.S. citizens. According to the Cuban authorities, the Florida-registered speedboat came within 1 nautical mile of Cuba's north coast when it was approached by 5 members of a Cuban patrol unit. Florida's Attorney General James Uthmere said he was ordering prosecutors to open a separate investigation with other state and federal law enforcement partners. He said in a post on X that, quote, "The Cuban government cannot be trusted and we will do everything in our power to hold these communists accountable," end quote. The incident comes amid a time of heightened tensions between the U.S. and Cuba following increased pressure from the Donald Trump administration. And still on Cuba, the government of Mexico reported that it sent 1,193 tons of humanitarian aid to the country. In a statement, the Secretariat of the Navy said the aid was sent aboard the logistic support vessels, and the 2 main food items in the cargo are beans and powdered milk. The shipment departed on Tuesday. Authorities said the aid will take 4 days to reach the island. In the meantime, J.D. Vance, U.S. Vice President, says the U.S. is monitoring the situation in Cuba. And those were the top regional stories. I'm Jamila Maitland for TVJ News.